Mathaa manini tu thutha wa igoti nene gwatha munene wa borithi gugakinyia muhuri biashara Philip Aroko uria ni umwe wa mwikuirwo wa gikuo kia mubunge Charles Were igoti-ini mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite. Maabitha borithi ni macokire gukinyia Aroko igoti-ini ria JKIA mathaa-ini ma thaa kenda cia hwaini. Mucirithania ni athanire Aroko ahingirwo ihinda ria thiku 7 sesheni-ini ya borithi ya Kileleshwa uthuthuria ugithie na mbere na agacokio igoti-ini tariki 16 mweri uyu.
The respondent is ready and willing to cooperate with the investigators. As such, I allow the application for custodial orders, but limited to 7 calendar days in the first instance. So, as to whether I'll extend this or not will depend with what the applicant will tell court after 7 days.
Aroko aikirio ngono thutha wake gwikinya sesheni-ini ya borithi ya Gigiri mari na wakiri wake Danstan Omari thutha wa ruhonge rwa DCI kumuria ekinye wabici-ini cia DCI kana sesheni ya borithi iria ri hakuhi nake. Agikuruhanio ta umwe wa mwikuirwo munene njuragano-ini ino na to kurumirira tu mikana iria akoretwo akirutira mutigaire Were indi ni gukorwo ateithiriirie kimbeca njuragano ino itafanio.
Who we believe to have been a key organizer and financer that resulted in the deceased death.
Mawakiri a Aroko magitongorio ni Danstan Omari ni meyeheririe igoti-ini na Aroko atigwo agitetera ari wika. Wira uria utemanĩtio igoti-ini ukionania micemanio mibange iria yahanikire kaunti-ini cia Homa Bay, Nairobi na Nakuru.
We expect our client Nahashon Oroko to be presented to the High Court on Monday at exactly 10 a.m. for the court to release him on bail.
Because we also feel justice should be given to the family of the late Charles Ong'ondo Were. But that justice should not be used as a reason to pin down those who are not involved.
Kwirikanite Were ni andikithitie ndumiriri na ruhonge rwa thuthuria Nairobi egie mikana kuma kuri Aroko no thuthuria uyu no urathiaga na mbere ya Were oragitwo. Amwe aira njuragano-ini ino riu magiikara na hahu. Akiaria ari mwena wa Kamukunji umuthi munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja ni ateanirie riboti ciate umwe wa maabitha borithi ni akuruhanitio njuragano-ini ya Were akiuga uyu ni muhuhu.
Naomba mtupe nafasi tuendelee na hiyo uchunguzi yetu. DCI Mr. Mohamed in particular anafanya hiyo kazi. Under my direction ya kwamba I want a speedy investigation. A speedy investigation into that matter. Na ndio sababu tumefika mahali tumefika, na mimi nashukuru maafisa yangu wamefanya kazi na jambo ya maana. Kwa hivyo sasa wale washukiwa ambao tuko na wao, sasa uchunguzi inaendelea zaidi ndio kuweza kujua huyu alifanya hii, huyu amefanya hii, huyu amefanya namna hiyo. Hiyo mambo ya kuna mkubwa ya serikali mahali anaweza kuwa hiyo ni porojo tu.
Nake mucirithania wa igoti ria JKIA Irene Gichofi agakorwo akirekereria itua muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite ria kana ni kwiyeherania na cira uyu ta uria mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi akoretwo akiendekithia. Igoti ni rihoetwo kuhe mwena wa uthuthuria ihinda niguo mahote guthuthuria njira iria ciahuthikire hari gutuma mbeca cia guteithiriria kuragwo kwa Were na oho mahote kugitira aira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.